In Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 3 and Chapter 31, Sri Shukdev Goswami narrates that the individual soul, Jiva, while residing in the womb of the mother, experiences intense distress and may recall the experiences of past lives. This experience of suffering and the realization of being trapped in the cycle of birth and death can lead the jiva to repent and pray to the Supreme Lord Narayana for liberation from transmigration and miseries of material existence. Here is the prayer. Sri Hari Sharanam Janturvacha Tasyopasan जगदिच्छयात् नानातनोर्भुवि चलच्चरणारविन्दम् सोऽहं व्रजामि शरणं यकुतो भयं मे येनेदृशी गतिरदर्श सतोऽनुरूपा. The individual soul says, I take shelter of the lotus feet of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who appears in his various eternal forms and walks on the surface of the world. I take shelter of him only because he can give me relief from all fear, and from him I have received this condition of life, which is just befitting my impious activities. Jastatra baddhaiva karmabhirabhrutatma bhutendriyasayamaim avalambyamayam aste visuddhamabhikara makhanda matapyamana hridaye vashitam namami. I, the pure soul, appearing now bound by my activities, am lying in the womb of my mother by the arrangement of Maya. I offer my respectful obeisances unto him who is also here with me, but who is unaffected and changeless. He is unlimited, but he is perceived in the repentant heart. To him I offer my respectable obeisances. यह पंचभूत रचिते रहिता शरीरे छन्नो जथेन्द्रिय गुणार्थ चिदात्मकोऽहं तेना विकुंठ महिमान मृषिंतमेनं वंदे परम प्रकृति पुरुषयो पुमांसम्. I am separated from the Supreme Lord because of my being in this material body, which is made up of 5 elements, and therefore my qualities and senses are being misused, although I am essentially spiritual, because the Supreme Personality of Godhead is transcendental to material nature and the living entities, because he is devoid of such a material body, and because he is always glorious in his spiritual qualities, I offer my obeisances unto him. Yanmayayoruguna karma nibandhanesmin sansarike pathicharam stadabhisramenam nastasmriti punarayam प्रवृणीत लोकं युक्त्या कया महदनु ग्रहमंतरेण. The human soul further prays. The living entity is put under the influence of material nature and continues a hard struggle for existence on the path of repeated birth and death. This conditional life is due to his forgetfulness of his relationship with the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Therefore, without the Lord's mercy, how can he again engage in the transcendental loving service of the Lord? Jnanam jade tadadhatmakatamah sadeva Straikalikam sthiracharesvanuvartitangsah Tang jiva karma padavi manuvartamanam Tapatrayopashamanaya vayam bhajema. No one other than the Supreme Personality of Godhead as the localized Paramatma, the partial representation of the Lord, is directing all inanimate and animate objects. He is present in the three phases of time, that is past, present and future. Therefore, the conditioned soul is engaged in different activities by his direction, and in order to get free from the threefold miseries of this conditional life, we have to surrender unto him only. Dehyanya deha vivare jathara grinasrut Vinmutra kupapatito brusatapta deha Ichchannito vivasitum ganayan Swamasam Nirvasyate Krupanadhir Bhagavan Kadanu. Fallen into a pool of blood, stool and urine within the abdomen of his mother, his own body scorched by the mother's gastric fire, the embodied soul, anxious to get out, counts his months and prays, O my Lord, when shall I, a wretched soul, be released from this confinement? Ene drushingatimasau dasamasya isa sangrahita purudayena bhavadrushena Shvenaiva tusyatu krutena sadina natha Ko nama tat prativinam jalimasya kuriya. My dear Lord, by your causeless mercy, I am awakened to consciousness, although I am only 10 months old. For this causeless mercy of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the friend of all fallen souls, there is no way to express my gratitude but to pray with folded hands. Pasyatyayam dhishanaya nanu saptavadri sharirake damasarirja paraswadehe jasvrushtya santamaham purusham puranam Pashyi bahir hrudi charchaityamiva pratitam. The living entity in another type of body sees only by instinct. He knows only the agreeable and disagreeable sense perceptions of that particular body. But I have a body in which I can control my senses and can understand my destination. Therefore, I offer my respectful obeisances to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, by whom I have been blessed with this body and by whose grace I can see Him within and without. Soham vasan api vibho bahu dukhavasam garbhana nirjigamise bahirandhakupe yatropayatumupasarpati deva maya mithya-matir yadanu sansruti chakrami tatum. Therefore, my Lord, although I am living in a terrible condition, I do not wish to depart from my mother's abdomen to fall again into the blind well of materialistic life. Your external energy, called Deva Maya, at once captures the newly born child and immediately false identification, which is the beginning of the cycle of continual birth and death begins. Tasmadaham vigata viklava uddharisya atmanamasu tamasaha suhrudatmanaiva bhuyo jatha vyasaname dadane karandram mame bhavishyadupasādita vishnupāda mame bhavishyadupasādita vishnupāda. Therefore, without being agitated anymore, I shall deliver myself from the darkness of nescience with the help of my friend, clear consciousness. Simply by keeping the lotus feet of Lord Vishnu in my mind, I shall be saved from entering into the wombs of many mothers for repeated birth and death. Sri Hari Sharanam. Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari He Nath Narayana Vasudeva. Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari He Nath Narayana Vasudeva. He Nath Narayana Vasudeva. He Nath Narayana Vasudeva. He Nath Narayana Vasudeva. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol. 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 Sri Hari Sharanam.